Hello, this is Greg. I am working with my FNIRSI component tester, the DSC TC4. This is specifically to the oscilloscope menu. To enter the menu, you do a long press on the mode button right here. That enters this menu. Use the up and down arrows to move on the left column and the OK button to switch the parameter that you want to change. Use the right arrow to move across. You can turn the auto off by moving down and selecting off. Then you can turn on like specifics if you want. For me, I am just leaving my auto on. And then there's an AG setting, and those are the parameters you can change, and images, and I don't have any. Long press on the mode button put you back into the oscilloscope. So I hope that ended any confusion with this little menu. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.